There's still than just the building of red, blue, yellow, and green. A place for laughter, love, and learning. It fills with joy, energy, and glee. Driven by compelling mission. The school is all about holistic education. All stakeholders in cooperation towards a common vision. Our school philosophy passed down from rich history to improve the school through novelty and harness on technology. We learn rich values in our school. You may find that it's so cool as we always obey the rules. Those are what we strive to improve.
There's the fire in our hearts. No, we stay cool no matter what. Yellow is the color unites us together. Green is our future, let's make it last forever. Oh, oh, forever. Forever. Oh, oh, forever.
Our school mascot,
We adore
the giraffe,
we've all seen before.
it helps us to
Reinforce
our values.
even more.
Our teachers are an
Inspiration,
They give us,
motivation,
equip us with,
good education,
give us a sense of
satisfaction.
our school environment
So conducive
with learning experience,
collaborative,
require lessons, but
elusive,
everyone is
all inclusive.
programs that create
Possibilities,
CCAs with
different abilities,
injected with
fun activities.
you'll discover
Your capabilities. There's the fire in our hearts. No, we stay cool no matter what. Yellow is the color unites us together. Green is our future, let's make it last forever. Oh, oh, forever. Forever. Oh, oh, forever.
classrooms are very warm, but to us it has become the norm. It's a great place where we all perform studies as we brainstorm. Pupils smiling bright like the sun in the indoor sports hall,
We love to run
and our canteen,
steaming buns.
a great school where we all
Have fun.
after 6 years are done. We'll be better than we begun. Let us drum, for we have achieved our care outcome. CBS, a school which nurtures. We are ready for a better future. We love our committed teachers, believe and care from our school leaders.
There's the fire in our hearts.